Today, I'm cooking stir-fried okra with crispy anchovy for dinner. It is simple and very fast. This recipe is for 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 380 grams of okra, all lady's fingers, 3 stems of curry leaves, 200 ml of water, 35 grams of anchovies, 5 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1.5 tablespoons of gogi tempura flour, 1 red chilli, 80 grams of shallots, half tablespoon of sugar, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Start with washing anchovies. Put the anchovies in the large basin, add a lot of water, and wash it. Throw the water away. Repeat for a few more washes. I am washing them 4 times as I find them very salty as is and they have a lot of preservative. This will reduce their saltiness. Alright, this is the anchovies after 4 washes. Leave it aside. Heat the pan, add in the cooking oil and wait for 2 minutes for the oil to get hot. Once oil is hot, sprinkle the tempura flour on the anchovies to coat them evenly. Now we can go and fry it. The oil is perfectly hot. Sprinkle the anchovies in the pan and spread it around the pan and fry it for 3 to 4 minutes or until crispy and golden brown. After 3.5 minutes, the anchovies are cooked and very crispy. Switch off the heat. Remove it from the pan and place it on the strainer. Leave it aside. Next, cut each shallots into 3 to 4 pieces. Alright, they are ready. Leave it aside. Next, cut the okra after washing them. Remove the top part and slice them into slanting shape like this. Cut the okra right before cooking as the okra releases a lot of slimy liquid when it is cut. So, my recommendation is to wash, cut and cook it immediately. Alright, okra is done. Let's go and cook them. In the same pan that we have fried the anchovy, there is still some oil. Switch on the heat and wait for the oil to get hot. Add in the shallots, the curry leaves. Stir for about 30 seconds. Add in the cut chilli and stir. Add in the okra, salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, sugar, and the curry powder. Continue to stir until well combined. Add in 150 ml of water. Continue to stir. Cover the pan and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, open the lid and stir. It is getting dry. Add in 50 ml of water. Continue to stir for 2 more minutes. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious. It is not very salty, so when the anchovies are added, it will be perfect. Alright, 2 minutes is up. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. But for this, it is good already. Add in half of crispy anchovies and give it a mix. Alright, the simple and very delicious stir-fried okra with crispy anchovy is ready. Let's dish out and serve. Sprinkle some crispy anchovies and we are done. Let's eat! Oh wow, it is very good. Lovely fragrance of curry powder and curry leaves. Anchovies are crispy and tasty. The okra is delicious and very crunchy. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.